Hi kindergarten students and learning coaches. This video is to guide you through Phonics, Unit 25, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will review content from the unit as well as complete a unit checkpoint. The materials that you will need to complete this lesson include your Phonics Works Basic Lesson Guide, Book 2, and we will be looking at pages 676 through 678, as well as your Phonics Works Basic Assessment Book, pages 139 through 144. First, you will log into the OLS to this lesson, Phonics, Unit 25, Lesson 5. Please pause this video as you log in and gather your materials. Now we are ready to begin. Learning coaches, turn in your lesson guide to page 676. As you can see in the lesson overview here, the first part of this lesson is online, and it is a review of the trigraph TCH and ending CK. So you will go into the online school, click on Lesson Navigator on the left-hand side, and click Review, Trigraph TCH and ending CK. Your student can work through this review. Please pause this recording and have your student complete this part of the lesson. Great job, friends. Now it is time for your student to complete the unit checkpoint. We are looking here at the lesson guide at page 677. So you will turn in your Phonics Works Basic Assessment Book to page 139 and give that page to your student. Also, be sure to keep this lesson guide handy as it is going to guide you through administering the assessment. If you would like to print the unit checkpoint answer key, you can do so by clicking on Lesson Resources and then Materials. And down here at the bottom, you will see Assessment Sheet Answer Key. You can print that page if you would like. You can also use the answer key to score the checkpoint and then enter those results online. So now we are going to go back to the lesson guide. And as you can see, there are directions provided for each part of the unit checkpoint. So we will start here with part 1. Have your student read across the rows from left to right and say the sound that each letter, letters, or word part makes. Note any sounds they say incorrectly. Please pause this recording to complete part 1 of the checkpoint. Great. For part 2 of the assessment, you will say the sound your student should identify. Have your student read the word aloud and circle the letter or groups of letters that spell the requested sound. Please pause this recording to complete part 2 of the checkpoint. Next is part 3 of the checkpoint, and this is finger stretching. Say each word to your student. Have your student repeat the word and finger stretch the sounds. For example, if you say duck, your student should repeat duck and then give you each sound. D, k, duck. Note any words that your student finger stretches incorrectly. Please pause this recording to complete part 3. Great job, friends. Part 4 of the unit checkpoint is dictation. You will say each word to your student, have them repeat the word, and then write the word. Please pause this recording to complete the dictation. In part 5, your student will read aloud the sentences on page 143 in the assessment book. You will count and note the number of words that the student reads correctly. Please pause this recording while you complete this part of the checkpoint. And you are almost finished. We are now at the last section of the unit checkpoint. This is part 6. In this section of the checkpoint, you will say each sound. Your student will say a letter or letters that make the sound. Note any incorrect responses. Please pause this recording to complete this section. Wonderful job. Now you're ready to enter your students' results into the OLS. So you will click on the OLS. You're going to click on the Lesson Navigator. And then you will click on Unit Checkpoint and enter your students' results. When you are finished with all of these activities, be sure to mark the lesson complete. You can click on the Lesson Navigator and click Lesson Completion. Mark the lesson complete, and you'll enter the attendance for today. Please remember to fill out the attendance survey. That is located on the top of our MIC. You can click on the link. For the subject, you will enter Phonics. For the topic, you will put Unit 25, Lesson 5. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.